we're in negotiations with Oscar and Ryan's lawyer, Ryan's team. Um, so it could very much be what's next, and it's all about money, and this is a big money fight for Ryan's side, De La Hoya and his side, and my side as well. So and if it makes dollars, it makes sense. Yeah, I don't think that they understand the business, and they're even if they do understand the business, they're not in a position to where they can call these shots and negotiate these kind of things. Because a few years ago they were saying I wasn't a draw, that I wasn't worth anything, and that it was this and I was that. It was this and it was that, and now I'm the king, and I'm the guy that they're calling for, and it's crazy how tables turn, but I dreamed to be in this position. I knew I would be in this position one day, and what a blessing. The Gervonta Davis fight is the biggest fight in boxing today, and Ryan Garcia is not too far behind. So one of those two fights for sure.